Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some shine rice. In the ingredients is onion, scallion, red onion, and the garlic, along with the coconut milk and rice. Alright, first I already add some oil into this pot. So I'm going to start by frying up the tomato, the onion, and everything. Alright, then add the rice. Fry this a little, then I'm going to add the rice and fry the rice with it. Alright. So now I add the rice in the pot. I'm going to let it fry for a little while, just maybe like a minute or so. Then I'm going to add the coconut milk and the spices. In the meanwhile, I'm making some pot roast chicken wings. So as you can see, the chicken is in the cannery, and I already put some spice and clove. It's like 6 cloves and 1 pieces of spice, and then I'm gonna add the Chinese sauce and the oyster sauce into this menu, along with some tomato paste or ketchup, tomato ketchup, I'm sorry. Right, I'm using the Chinese sauce at this present. This is to give it a brown color. Stay tuned. The oyster sauce, I'm adding that into also. It's kind of thick. It wasn't a lot, it was a little bit in there, so I'm going to use all. Some ketchup, just to give it a flavor. So don't begin, not going to be a lot, maybe like a tablespoon. And I'm going to come back with the spices and everything else. So stay tuned. In the meanwhile, I'm going to add the coconut milk into this rice now. Alright. And then I'm going to add like 2 cans of coconut milk I'm going to put. And I'm going to use 4 cans of this with water. Pipe water. This is the color. I'm gonna add some sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then I'm gonna add salt to taste. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Black pepper. The taste. And I'm gonna stir it. And again, I must say this is the pot roast chicken. And this liquid that is in this pot here, it was observed from the chicken wing of itself. Alright. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description bar below. I already have a video with how I make this pot roast chicken, but this is the first time I'm going to do the wings. I do the chicken of itself. Alright, stay tuned. In the meanwhile, I already put the spices inside this shine rice, so I'm going to stir it in, and then I'm going to taste it. And see if it wants anything else. Bubbling. The next 3 minutes and I will be back. As I mentioned before, I'm going to put the ingredients in the description bar below. But I already have a video with me making this pot roast chicken, and I will be back when all this liquid absorbs. Alright, stay tuned. This is the end of the shine rice. This would look like nice loosey shine rice. And this is the pot roast chicken wings. I mean, this liquid that is in here is what you use to drop around the rice if you want it. And this liquid could be used to anything else when finished. You can add it in your stew or cook up rice or anything like a chicken broth. You can use that for anything else if nobody don't want the liquid. And this is the ending product. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Some fried plantain, ripe fried plantain, the barbecue chicken wings, and the shine rice. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.